Car garage, the single door opens, closes properly. Double door is hanging up when it closes. In order to get it to close all the way, I've got to hold the button here. And success, but we need the sensors repaired so that it closes properly.